Hello everyone, I'm Rita and for today's video I have the Grandink tabletop box easel with me and I'm really excited because this is going to be my first YouTube video after my board exams. And for today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, we'll be learning how to paint pets in less than 3 minutes. I'm starting with a little burnt sienna diluted in a lot of water so that it gives me a really light shade and I can draw the outline and paint the darker parts in the photo, and it'll just give me an idea of the color placement later on. Now for the fur, I'm going to use a brush which has hard bristles. You can also use a flat brush if you don't have this, but I would suggest avoiding the use of round brushes. Now what happens is when we see the photo, sometimes we cannot understand the colors properly. So I'm just blocking some places and after that I'll start blending it with a dry brush, and I'm doing the same thing for the ear too. I'm not going to use complete black or complete dark brown. I'm using brown, I'm using yellow ochre and a little bit of black. Instead of black, I like to use brown mixed with some Prussian blue or cobalt blue. I'm trying to keep the nose as realistic and 3D as possible, and again I'll avoid using black. For the nose part, I'm using a little bit of grey and I'm using the mixture of blue and brown again for the darker parts and the darker shadows. Now I'm finishing our painting by giving it some details in the eye. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to purchase this Grandink tabletop easel, you can check out the description down below.